Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something a bit nostalgic yet fresh, the Lomography Lomomatic 110. Whether you're a fan of film photography or just love gadgets with a retro twist, this camera might catch your eye. But let's get real here. We're not just going to praise it for its aesthetic. We'll break down what this compact shooter can and can't do, so you can decide if it's worth adding to your photography arsenal. Let's take a deeper look into the Lomomatic 110, a pocket-sized camera designed for the 110 film format. While it embraces the past, it brings some modern features worth discussing. We're not here to sell you anything, just honest details, quirks, and the good stuff. The first thing you'll notice about the Lomomatic 110 is how tiny it is. We're talking ultra compact. This thing fits right in your pocket, no problem. It's great for those who want a highly portable, no-fuss camera for on-the-go shooting. It's minimalist in its approach, but still functional. The design is all about simplicity. There's a lens, a viewfinder, and not much else. The build quality is decent, but it's largely made of plastic. Not exactly the most durable, but it holds up for what it's meant to do. Quick snapshots in urban settings or when you're traveling. No bulky accessories or complicated controls here. You just wind it up, click, and go. Now, let's talk specs. The Lomomatic 110 uses the 110 film format, which isn't exactly mainstream these days, but film enthusiasts appreciate the unique aesthetic it delivers. The lens is a 22mm fixed focus, offering a wide-angle perspective. It's basic but functional, meaning you can forget about adjusting aperture or shutter speed. It's pretty much point and shoot. The camera doesn't offer any manual controls, so if you're someone who loves fiddling with settings, this might feel limiting. Instead, it embraces simplicity. There's no ISO adjustment, and the only flexibility you get is in lighting. The Lomomatic 110 includes a hot shoe for flash attachments, which you might want to use in low-light situations, since the fixed aperture and shutter speed aren't ideal for night shots. Image quality is subjective with film, but here's the deal. The Lomomatic 110 gives you that lo-fi, grainy aesthetic that 110 film is known for. If you're used to crisp digital images, this might feel like a step back. But for those of you who appreciate that imperfect, nostalgic look, it's gold. The grain, the contrast, the occasional light leaks, it's all part of the experience. You won't get razor-sharp detail or vivid colors here, but that's not the point of a camera like this. It's more about mood than precision. The Lomomatic doesn't exactly compete with modern digital cameras in terms of resolution, as 110 film negatives measure just 13mm by 17mm, so don't expect high-definition results. Photos typically range between 2 to 3 megapixels of effective resolution, making this more of a fun, artsy camera than a professional tool. What about features? Well, like I said, it's all about simplicity. There's a basic film advance lever and an easy loading mechanism for the film cartridge. This makes it beginner-friendly if you're new to analog photography. No need to worry about light leaks or tricky film handling. One notable feature is the hot shoe, which allows you to attach an external flash. Given that the Lomomatic doesn't perform well in low-light conditions, an external flash can make a big difference in your indoor or evening shots. Other than that, it's straightforward. No autofocus, no exposure adjustments, just you, the camera, and the moment. Using the Lomomatic 110 is as easy as it gets. You just point and click. The lack of controls can be freeing for some, but if you're someone who likes control over your shots, this might feel restrictive. It's great for spontaneous shooting, street photography, or capturing moments when you don't want to be bogged down by settings. That said, its limitations are also its weaknesses. In bright light, the camera shines, literally. But as soon as the sun goes down, or you find yourself in shadowy areas, you'll see a drop in performance. Without any exposure control, you're at the mercy of whatever lighting conditions you find yourself in. So, who's this camera really for? If you're a professional photographer, this isn't going to replace your DSLR or mirrorless. But for those of you who love film, or just want a lightweight, fun camera to experiment with, the Lomomatic 110 can be a great addition to your collection. It's perfect for creative street shots, artsy portraits, or even those of you getting into film for the first time. At the end of the day, the Lomomatic 110 isn't going to blow your mind with cutting-edge tech or top-tier image quality. What it offers is an authentic, simple, and fun film photography experience. It's not for everyone, but if you like the retro vibe and the charm of analog, it's a solid, low-commitment option. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, leave your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the Lomomatic 110? Is it something you'd try, or is digital still king? Let me know, and if you enjoyed this honest review, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more camera content coming your way. See you in the next one.